Here we are with Shank, Kolsh, sail and anchors, 4.8%. Give that a crack. Right, it's Monday afternoon here, weather's nice. Into a Chimay glass, give that a bit of a look. Colour's quite golden, nice colour on that. We'll give it a bit of a try. Yeah, very easy to drink, light, good afternoon beer just after you've done some work. Feel like you could drink about 20 of those. They're lovely. Anyway, that's just an Australian Sail and Anchors beer. That's not a bad beer. It's not too bad. I think it's you get 4 for about 12 to 15 bucks, depends where you're buying them. Yeah, they're alright. Taste is it's like a nice beer, but you know, nothing too over the top. Yeah, lovely. Alright, I'll leave you with that. Cheers fellas, see ya.